ever had a perfect photo but the background just ruins it? Whether you are creating a YouTube thumbnail, a business logo, or a skill project, removing the background can make your image look clean, professional, and eye-catching. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to remove the background from any image using just your phone. No Photoshop needed and absolutely free. What you are going to do first of all is that you are going to head to Google, and in the search bar you are going to type remove BG and search for it. The first link that pop up, that is the link. You click on it, it will take you to this particular website. Then you click on upload image, then browse. Then you get to choose images from your device. Let's go with this for example. As you can see, just in a matter of seconds it did remove the background for me. So if the image is okay for you, you are going to download it. Then click on download, you click on preview free, then download it, and this is the result. You see, then you are going to paste it in Canva. Maybe you are designing a thumbnail or a logo or whatever, and that's how it's done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Catch you guys in the next one.